In this video, we will learn about Splunk. Splunk is the data platform that powers enterprise observability, unified security, and limitless custom application in hybrid environments through analyzing machine data, applying operational intelligence. Today, we will learn about basics of machine data. We will understand operational intelligence, that is, investigating a customer issue using machine data and fetching insight from data across organization. Then we will go through Splunk's core feature and how to use it for exploring organization data. What is machine data? Machine data is flowing from devices we interact with. It makes more than 90% of data across organizations. Data can be in many formats, mainly categorized in structured data and non-structured data. There is a very huge amount of data processed every day. Operational intelligence overview. Software operations and maintenance involve planning for and executing activities such as operating production software applications, monitoring system performance, making defect repairs, testing the application after any changes are made, and tuning a release software system. Resolving an issue and finding its root cause involves a lot of people in organization like customer support, application developers, system administrators, and database administrators, etc. Most of the issues are identified by historical logs, monitoring, different checks, and analysis. This process is very time consuming when done manually. Utilizing automated process using Splunk. Using machine data, the customer support call is logged and application support is involved. Application support searches logs for particular event type with error and he finds the issue and contact the concerned person immediately as they has access to all historical logs and can perform search and analysis on Splunk, can pinpoint, correlate and alert any specific event after those get notified by client. Splunk can take any data and add it to intelligent searchable index, adding structure to unstructured data and allow you to extract all sort of insight into your business. Not only application issues, but security issues, user behavior, hardware monitoring, sales totals, and lot more. Here we will talk about Splunk Enterprise, Splunk Cloud, and Splunk core features. Splunk Enterprise is an on-premises solution which allows us to search, analyze, and visualize machine data. Splunk Cloud provides scalable access to the tools of Splunk Enterprise with minimal infrastructure requirements. Splunk core features will make your data available, accessible, and usable across the organization. Some of Splunk's core features are: at the heart of Splunk is Index, which contains machine data from sources such as servers, network devices, and web applications. Once data is ingested into Splunk, it is available for searching and analyzing. Search results can be saved to reports which provide continued insight of data and can be used to power dashboards. Knowledge can be organized into structured dataset called data models to allow users to quickly visualize data. Alerts allow you to set custom triggers so that you are notified and respond to incidents as soon as they occur. Let's go through the main function of Splunk Enterprise and how they make our machine data available, accessible, and usable to everyone in your organization. At the core of Splunk is index. Splunk collects index from almost any source, and it is very important in Splunk. Think of indexer as factory and data as raw material. As data enters Splunk, introspectors go to work. They'll look at data to decide how to process it. When they find a match, they label the data with the source type. The worker use that source type to break the data into events. Timestamps are identified and normalized to a consistent format. The events are then stored in a Splunk index where they can be searched. By entering a value into Splunk search bar, you can find events that contain value across multiple data sources, allow you to analyze and run statistics on the events using the Splunk search language. You can add knowledge objects to your data. These allow you to affect how data is interpreted, give classification, add enrichment, normalize it, and save report for future use. Splunk can proactively monitor all your infrastructure in real time to identify issues, problems, and attacks before they impact your customer services. You can create alerts to monitor for specific conditions and automatically respond with variety of action. Splunk allow to collect reports and visualization into dashboard, helping organization groups by providing them needed information organized at single place. Splunk login view look like this. One user can sign in with entering Splunk's username and password. After login, user lands at app view of Splunk. App is a pre-configured environment that sits on top of Splunk Enterprise instance. You can think them as workspaces built to solve a specific use case. The app are defined by Splunk administrator. Splunk Enterprise come with two apps by default. Homepage app gives you a quick place to Splunk Enterprise. It allows you to launch and manage other Splunk apps, find documentation, and set a custom dashboard. Administrators can also add apps and data from here. Other default app is Search and Reporting app. Search and Reporting app provide default interface for searching and analyzing data. There are 8 main components in Search and Reporting app. Splunk bar highlighted in red allows users to switch between apps easily, let you access your account info, check system level messages, edit your system level setting, monitor the progress of search in activity, and get help. The Splunk search bar is used to run searches. You type in the search query in the text box and click on search icon to search. There is a time range picker before search icon to select a specific time period. Splunk roles determine what a user can see, do, and interact with. There are 3 main roles in Splunk Enterprise: administrator, power user, and user role. Admin role can create apps, ingest data, and create knowledge object for all users. Power role can create and share knowledge objects for user of some app and do real-time searches. User role can only see their own knowledge objects and those which are shared with them. At the Splunk base site, users can post and share apps and add-ons to share them with the whole Splunk community. The Splunk base is available at splunkbase.splunk.com. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.